Hey guys, Firearms Addict, and today I want to share with you a new pistol that's out on the market. This is the FN 502. It is a 22 caliber semi-automatic pistol that holds 15 rounds and comes pre-threaded for a suppressor. Has a rail here for mounting a laser or a flashlight. Let's take a look at it and do some shooting.
Let's take a look inside the box and see what we have. The box is a nice plastic carry box. We have the pistol itself. Looks like a check tag, and we get 2 magazines. Under this flap in the top of the box we have our manual and also different adapters for optics, and they just screw in here. One thing that's kind of neat about these adapters is each one has a rear sight built into it. Comes with the appropriate screws for them and also a different front sight. And you get your standard safety lock.
For the non-suppressed shooting today, I'm going to be using Federal Auto Match. Then I have an assortment of different loads for suppressor. I have CCI Quiet, CCI Suppressor, and some Winchester Super Suppressor. Loading the magazines is relatively easy. FN built a thumb stud in here for pulling down the magazine follower. And quite easy to get one loaded. FN includes one 15-round magazine and one 10-round magazine, and they are a double stack magazine. I'm going to start off with the 10-round magazine on paper with Federal Auto Match unsuppressed. Once the magazine is empty, the slide stays open. At 15 yards, I'll take it. Pretty decent sized group. The pistol features both an ambidextrous safety and slide release. Let's see how she does on steel. That's fun. To put the suppressor on, you simply make sure the pistol is clear, unscrew the thread protector. One thing that FN did that I really like is they put an O-ring here on the barrel to help hold the thread protector and a suppressor in place. And then just carefully thread your suppressor on. This is a T&J Tactical 22 long rifle suppressor. And just tighten it down. Not too awful tight though. Let's give her a try on the one-arm bandit target. It's a little bit of a challenge with the different shapes. Let's see how we do. Apple. Eggplant. Pineapple. Carrot, missed. Carrot, hit. Banana. Oh yeah. Pear, missed. Pear, I don't know. Pear, hit for sure. Strawberry, hit. Cherry, hit. Plum, nice hit. Other plum. Cherry. Strawberry, missed. Strawberry, hit. All right, that's fun.
To disassemble the 502, first step, check, ensure that it's unloaded. Remove your magazine. Next, remove the thread protector if your pistol is equipped with one. Next step is to flip this switch 180 degrees approximately, and it'll click into place. Then depress your magazine or your slide release. Depress your slide release. Move the slide forward. Your grip assembly comes apart, and then your slide comes off. To remove the barrel, you depress the recoil spring, and then just slide your barrel out. And you have your different components for cleaning. The reassembly process is exactly the reverse. Insert your barrel, then take your recoil spring. It actually has an indicator here of which side to put in first. You want this side with the indentation to face the muzzle. The other side does not have that indentation. And just put that in, compress your spring, make sure that it's all lined up. Next step is to carefully line up the slide, put it back on, then put it all the way back into position and slide the switch back into the normal position. Reinsert your thread protector. Be careful not to cross thread. And reinsert your magazine. And it's easy as that. And you are back in business.
First up is CCI Quiet. All right, CCI Quiet failed to cycle the action. Partial ejection. It is quiet though. Nope. All right, that's it. CCI Quiet is certainly quiet, but will not cycle the action. Next up, CCI Suppressor. Let's see how this does. I switched over to the 10 round magazines in case it doesn't cycle the action. Oh, I can tell a big difference. This is cycling the action. All right. I love shooting steel with a suppressor. Now we're going to try some Winchester Super Suppressed. I can tell it's working the action. All right, no issues with feeding. Very nice. Let's check the trigger pull. £3, 10.5 ounces. I wanted to show you all a comparison between the different ammunitions, so I've loaded up a magazine. First round you'll hear is Federal Auto Match, followed by the Winchester Super Suppressed, then CCI Suppressor, and the last round will be CCI Quiet. In defense of the CCI Quiet not operating the action, that round only develops around 700, 750 feet per second, and it's really more designed for bolt actions, but I did want to give it a try. Let's see how they compare. That's a Federal Auto Match. Winchester Super Suppressed, CCI Suppressor, CCI Quiet. Can't tell a big difference between the Quiet and the others, but it won't operate the action. I could not tell much difference between the Winchester Super Suppressed and the CCI Suppressor. At least for myself, I would consider all of the rounds hearing safe. And it's nice that the suppressed rounds operate the action. A little bit of fun on some steel knockdown targets. All right, that's a lot of fun. The sights on the 502 are nice, clean, crisp, just good quality. The FN 502 pistol. As with any FN product that I've ever tried, it is high quality. This one with a polymer frame, it's got great stippling for a sure grip. It's clear that a lot of engineering went into the product, and this pistol, I have no doubt, will give years of quality, reliable service. And I look forward to shooting it more. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you like this video, I'd love to have you subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends, and come back and check out more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.